we recording. All right, go ahead and soak out some almonds for about 4 hours. I soak mine in alkaline or spring water. But, you know, if you're rocking it out to sink, that's your business. Go ahead and turn that on. It smells really good. It smells like you're baking something. Go ahead and add you a little bit of vanilla in there. This is going to really make it smell really good in the kitchen. So go ahead and get your nut milk bag. Go ahead and pour it in, making sure that you're keeping everything inside the bag. That's why the little string is there. If I had another hand, pull it tight and squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Trust the process. Y'all can do whatever you want with this. I've tried a couple things, but it's not really my thing. Go ahead and add you a little honey in there. Yeah, I mean, you don't have to. I choose to. It tastes a little bit better. Go ahead and stir, stir, stir. Just spatchy. All right, so this part right here, this is like my favorite part. This basically like just solidifies that, wow, I just made milk. Like, it looks so good in the glass bottle and everything. It smells really good in the kitchen too. This is gonna cost you a fraction of what it costs to buy in the store. And you're all set, you got your milk. 3 to 4 days, stay tuned.